Good morning, piggies.
Good morning, piggies.
Today we're going to learn the name of a new bird. But before that, do you remember, Paco? What birds have we talked about? There was a very smart bird who could get the water out of the jug. What was he called?
Crow.
Crow. It was the crow. Do you know, Paco, what sounds they make?
Crow, crow, crow.
Yes, exactly. They're making a sound. Can you make this sound? What was the other bird we talked about, Paco? I'll help you a little. We will learn to rhyme about two little
Blackbirds.
blackbirds. And how do we know that this is not a crow?
It's smaller.
It's smaller and
Its beak has a different color.
yes. So this little bird is called a
Blackbird.
Today's bird is not going to be totally black like the other birds. It will have some different colors as well. Let's have a look at our bird. Now what do you think, Paco? Did you like this bird?
Yeah, it's so funny how he's knocking on the trees.
Yes, this bird likes to knock on the trees. What do you think? Why is he doing that?
Because it likes music.
Well, that could be a reason too. But actually, most of the time, these birds are looking for food. They're knocking on the tree, and then they listen. If they can hear the little insects, the little bugs in the tree, then they try to take them out and eat them. That's how they look for food. What do you think? What do we call these birds?
Tree knocker.
Actually, that's a pretty good guess. They're not tree knockers, though. They're woodpeckers.
Wood.
Woodpecker.
Pecker.
Woodpecker. Do you know what, Paco? We can actually make the same sound as these birds make. We just need 2 pencils. Come, children, try it with us. Get 2 pencils and try to make a woodpecker sound. It's actually quite similar. I'm going to show you a song where we can practice how to knock on a tree like a woodpecker does. Get your pencils ready. Okay, we're going to start knocking on our shoulders.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Peck out a rhythm and we'll let go.
Cross.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Peck out a rhythm and we'll play it too.
And now listen.
Woodpecker, he sang.
Let's do it.
All together we play.
Listen.
Woodpecker, he
was so much fun. So now we know 3 different kinds of birds. The crow, that makes a sound, crow, crow. The little blackbird,